Hey everyone, welcome back. So, you want to get the most out of character AI, huh? Especially with those filters they've got going on.
Yeah, they've definitely been a hot topic.
For sure. I mean, character AI, it's all about creating these cool, unique conversations with AI, right?
Hmm.
But sometimes the filters can be a little much,
Oh, absolutely. It's like they're blocking stuff that seems totally harmless.
right? It makes you wonder what's going on behind the scenes.
I know, right? Like, is it investors getting nervous?
Maybe some folks are saying they're worried about AI going off the rails and creating all sorts of crazy content.
Yeah. Or maybe character AI just wants to play it safe, keep things squeaky clean for a bigger audience.
Could be. But hey, that's why we're here. We're diving deep into those filters and figuring out how to work around them.
Exactly. We're all about helping you guys have those awesome creative conversations without hitting a wall every 2 seconds.
All right, so first up, let's talk about alternative spellings.
Oh, yeah, this is a classic.
It's kind of like speaking in code, right?
Exactly. Like instead of writing filter, which might get blocked, you could try f.elter with an exclamation point.
Sneaky, sneaky.
Right. And it's amazing how often something that simple actually works. The filter just doesn't pick it up.
It's like you're outsmarting the system.
Totally.
Okay, so besides spelling,
Oh.
what about phrasing our prompts?
Oh, that's huge. It's all about giving the AI some context. Instead of just saying, tell me more, which can be pretty vague, try being more specific.
Gotcha. So instead of tell me more, I could say something like, can you describe the events leading up to the French Revolution?
Exactly. Now you're giving the AI something to work with. It knows exactly what you're looking for.
And that helps avoid those filter tripwires.
For sure. Plus, it usually leads to a much more interesting response from the AI.
Right, because it's not just spitting back some generic answer. It's actually engaging with your request.
Precisely. Now, another trick up our sleeve is persona features.
Oh, yeah, this is where things get really fun.
It's like you're building a character from the ground up.
Exactly. You can give them a backstory, a personality, even specific quirks.
And that gives the AI a framework for how to respond. So if you've got a character who's like a pirate captain, you might specify that they use colorful language.
Right, like they're going to swear a lot, they're going to be boastful, maybe a little rough around the edges.
Exactly. And by setting that up beforehand, you're basically telling the AI, hey, this is how this character talks. Don't freak out if they say something a little edgy.
It's like giving them permission to be themselves.
Exactly. And that can make a huge difference in terms of avoiding those filters.
Okay, but let's be real. Even with all these tricks, we're still going to run into the occasional blocked response.
It happens, but don't give up. There's usually a way around it.
So what do we do?
The edit tool is your best friend. Sometimes, all it takes is a tiny tweak. Maybe swap out a word or rephrase a sentence.
And that could be enough to get past the filter.
Often, yeah. It's worth a shot. Now,
Yeah.
we know some of you are really pushing the boundaries with character AI.
Right, like you're diving deep into storytelling, role-playing, getting super creative.
And if those filters are feeling a little too restrictive, we've got something special for you.
Head down to the pinned comment and you'll find a link to Candy AI.
It's another platform that's a little more relaxed when it comes to filters.
Perfect for letting your imagination run wild.
Absolutely. Plus, that link comes with some extra goodies you won't want to miss.
Definitely check it out. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here. We've talked about alternative spellings, clever phrasing, building personas,
And even exploring other platforms.
but at the end of the day, it's really about finding that balance, right?
Totally. We've got this amazing technology, but we also need to use it responsibly.
For sure. And thinking about those bigger questions, like where do we draw the line? How much freedom should AI have?
It's conversations just getting started.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for joining us on this deep dive into character AI. Hopefully you've got some new tricks up your sleeve.
And some new questions to ponder.
For sure. We'll catch you next time.
See ya.